Meaning of fortress.
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 Fortress. A fortress is a heavily fortified structure designed to provide protection and defense against military attacks. It typically consists of thick walls, towers, gates, and other defensive structures. Fortresses have been used throughout history by various civilizations to defend important locations such as cities, castles, or strategic points. They often represent military power and authority, and their architecture reflects the technological and engineering advancements of their time. In modern times, fortresses are still used in military contexts, but they also serve as tourist attractions or monuments to historical events.